What if you could grow a grapevine tree right from a simple grapefruit, without soil, without expensive equipment, just a glass of water and a little aloe vera? It sounds like a trick, but gardeners everywhere are using this method to root grape seeds and cuttings faster than ever. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know the exact steps, plus a surprising twist that could change how you grow grapes forever. Most people try to grow grapes and fail. Seeds take forever, sprouts die, or roots just don't form. The problem: grapes need 3 things right from the start: a soft rooting environment, protection from rot, and enough natural hormones to trigger growth. Plain water usually can't do it. That's where aloe vera becomes the game changer. Aloe vera isn't just for burns. Its gel contains natural rooting hormones, antibacterial compounds, and nutrients. When you coat grape seeds, or even better, cuttings, with aloe before placing them in water, you give them a natural shield and a powerful boost to start forming roots. Here's the exact process. Prepare the seeds. Take ripe grapes, rinse and dry the seeds. Make aloe solution. Scoop fresh gel from a leaf. Mix it with water. Dip the seeds or cuttings. Fully coat them in the aloe mixture. Place in water. Use a clear glass. Clean water. Indirect sunlight. Maintain. Change water every 3 to 4 days. Add a teaspoon of aloe solution each time. Watch for roots. In 2 to 4 weeks, roots begin to appear. It's simple, but the aloe vera makes all the difference. Without it, many seeds just sit there and rot. If you're finding this guide helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more gardening hacks. Every week, I share practical tips you can use right away, and you won't want to miss the next one. Once the roots reach 2 to 3 inches, it's time to transfer to soil. Use loose, well-drained soil in a small pot. Mix in a little more aloe vera at planting. It eases transplant shock and helps the vine adapt. Keep it in partial shade for a week before moving it to full sun. This step decides whether your little plant becomes a thriving grapevine. Now here's the twist. Not every seed will sprout, even with aloe. But if you use cuttings from an existing vine, dip them in aloe, and place them in water, they root faster and give you a clone of the parent plant. That means you'll get fruit sooner and know exactly what variety you're growing. So whether you start from seed or cutting, aloe vera is your secret weapon for grape success. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you try grapes from seeds, or go straight for cuttings? And don't go anywhere. In my next video, I'll show you how one simple kitchen ingredient can make seedlings grow twice as fast. It's natural, cheap, and you already have it at home. Curious? You'll find out soon.